Keep watching to see how to make this impressive, yet really easy to make happy birthday card. All you need is some paper for the base of your card, a pencil, and one black colored pen. Or of course, if you want to change up the design, use any color you wish. Start by drawing out the design in pencil. This step will probably take you the most time. I purposely did not make the tiers of the cake perfectly symmetrical and straight because that was the look that I was going for. But again, you could easily change that to customize the design of the card. Once you have the design drawn out in pencil, start by outlining the words. Then I basically repeated this process for all of the elements in this card by outlining them first. So next I moved on to the stand of the birthday cake. And then I moved on to the candles. And finally I moved on to outlining the tiers of the cake. The final step is to color in all of the negative spaces black using your same pen, or if you want, you can upgrade to a slightly thicker pen to make it a bit faster. And once you've done that, your card is complete. This is a really easy card to make, but is really impressive due to the black and white contrast and has a really unique modern look, which will surely impress any recipient. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and write suggestions for other types of videos you'd like to see below in the comments.